Kita sekarang ada di Lower Falls di Yellowstone Village atau Canyon Village kalau nggak salah. Wow, luar biasa sekali, sangat curam. Seperti Grand Canyon ya? Ya, yeah, looks like a Grand Canyon. Remember we went to Grand Canyon one time?
I want to see there.
Hard, really hard.
Oh, that's the waterfall. Wow, big. Wow. Yeah, really tall.
That's more dangerous than the waterfall we see.
Oh, sorry. Wow. Ya, kita akan menuju ke bawah ke waterfallnya. Nanti biar bisa melihat lebih dekat. Ini trailnya sangat curam sekali. Cocok ya, tapi suasananya memang sangat indah, dingin, bersalju di mana-mana. A lot of stairs. Wow. Alia, you need to hold my hand.
I can walk by myself. Watch out for friendly one. This one is a cozy.
Watch out, okay? It's okay. It's good. The step is good. Just watch your step.
Whoa. Go, Daddy, go down. Chop, chop.
This is so beautiful, kids. I like it. We're almost there. Mom is still behind us. Wow. So super beautiful. Huh? Wait for mom. Mom and dad, okay? Wow, so beautiful.
Now how do I get to the top?
Ya, tadi kita itu turun dari lookoutnya di sebelah sana itu lookoutnya kita turun.
Let's go up.
Sungainya di bawah. Ini namanya Inspiration Point, masih di Yellowstone. Wow,
Hold your hand, hold your hand. My lizard my favorite power up. My power up.
yeah, let's go downstairs.
My power up is laser beam. Laser beam.
Go downstairs. Be careful, abang. Hold on your step.
Hold on to here. Hey, are we going up the stairs or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. They were like, we're so. All right, good time, everybody.
Wow, look at that. Slow, slow.
You got laser beams, Dad. You're not Superman.
Oh, I guess.
Oh,
Wow.
Oh.
Hey, stay with me, kid. Oh, it's like painting. Abang, Alia. Alia, abang.
The car?
Yeah.
Aww.
What do you guys think about this place?
Good.
It's good, beautiful.
Yeah, I want to stay.
Yeah, I like it too.
Is it when I sit down? Hey Dad, is
Hmm.
it almost I like it when I sit down and take a picture.
Oh, okay. And the wall is so beautiful.
The wall looks
It's like a painting to me,
like a wall painting.
like a wall painting. And the artist make that like maybe like a god made it long time ago.
Yes! What does that lead to? The Ribbon Lake.
Ribbon Lake, but I don't have a bear spray. I'm afraid. So if there's a bear.
Spray?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it berry?
This is the trail. You see, there's a picture of animal. So I think we need to avoid that.
You need bear spray?
Mm-hmm.
You need bear trap. So you can avoid them? So
Yeah.
you can avoid grizzly bears.
Yeah. So we'll just go back here.
Because grizzly bears can bite you. So you need bear traps.
Yeah, we have to be careful because they don't want people to get close.
Because you need bear traps.
No, don't trap bear. It's not nice.
What do you do with the bear?
Just leave them alone.
You have to run away from the bear.
Yeah, no, don't run. Just walk away, but don't run.
Walk away from them. Look, I want to see. But why did we use that path?
Because it's nicer. There's no step in there. Wow, indah sekali kan waterfallnya. Bang,
Oh my god!
Madi paddle.
Muddy puddle. Muddy puddle. Yeah. Muddy puddle. Muddy puddle. Here's a splash. Here's a splash. Everywhere's muddy puddle. Splash. That's a song about jumping it down in muddy puddle. Running in factory.
Ya, ini petanya. Ini North Rim. Tadi di sana ada South Rim.
Is that
Oh
a,
no, this is South Rim.
is that a
We
wave?
were in the North Rim before.
Is that the rainbow?
Yeah, that's the one that we take picture.
Is that the North Rim?
Mhm.
Why did you take a picture of this rainbow?
Yeah, we don't see rainbow today.
Hey
Maybe
Dad.
next time.
Hey Dad.
Hmm?
We go to the North Rim a long time ago. And
No,
we
just
did-
an hour ago. Let's go.